This video will guide you through the process of understanding and responding to requests for evidence, commonly known as RFEs, in immigration cases. In this video, we will cover the following key topics: an introduction to what RFEs are, what to expect when you receive one, common reasons why RFEs are issued, steps to effectively respond to them, some additional tips for managing your application process, and finally, a conclusion with key takeaways. An RFE, short for Request for Evidence, is a formal request from immigration authorities. It asks for additional information or documentation related to your application if the initial submission lacks sufficient evidence to determine your eligibility for the immigration benefit you are seeking. RFEs are a standard part of the process and don't necessarily indicate a problem with your case. Once you receive an RFE, it's essential to read the entire document carefully. The RFE will specify the exact information and documents required from you. Remember, addressing each point raised in the RFE accurately and on time is crucial to avoid any delays or potential denial of your application. RFEs can be issued for several reasons. One common reason is missing documentation, which may include missing forms, supporting documents like birth or marriage certificates, or translations. Another reason could be insufficient evidence. Even if you've provided required documents, the authorities might find the evidence inadequate to prove your eligibility. Lastly, they might need clarification about information provided in your application. Let's break down the steps to effectively respond to an RFE. First, read the RFE carefully to identify exactly what is being requested. Next, gather all necessary documents and ensure they are clear and legible. Then, prepare a well-organized response package that includes the RFE letter and requested evidence, complete with a cover letter. Finally, make sure your response is postmarked by the deadline specified in the RFE. Failing to respond on time can result in denial of your application. What is the first step you should take when receiving an RFE? Your options are: 1. Gather required documentation. 2. Read the RFE carefully. 3. Consult an immigration attorney. You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is to read the RFE carefully. By thoroughly reading the RFE, you fully understand what the authorities are requesting. Some additional tips for managing RFEs include double-checking your initial application before submission to ensure completeness and accuracy of all forms and supporting documents. If you're uncertain about responding to an RFE, seeking legal advice from an immigration attorney can be very beneficial. Always keep copies of all documents you submit, and make use of the online tools provided by immigration authorities to track the status of your application. To wrap up, let's remember that receiving an RFE is a standard part of the immigration process. By responding thoroughly and promptly, you increase your chances of a successful outcome. Always consider seeking professional advice if needed for additional support. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on important topics like this. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below.